English, English. Geography, geography. Music, music. History, history. Information and Communication Technology, ICT. Information and Communication Technology, ICT. Maths, maths. Science, science. Art, art. Physical education, PE. Physical education, PE. Design and technology, D&T. Design and technology, D&T.